Weekend Update with Amy Granberry and Cindy Barrera.
Good evening, Corpus Christi. I'm Amy Granberry, your past chair of the United Corpus Christi Chamber of Commerce.
And I'm Cindy Barrera, your brand new chair of the United Chamber. Welcome to the United Annual Update, where we take a look back at the year, the milestones, the memories, and everything that makes our community shine.
Let's dive right in with some exciting news. Last year marked the final Conquer the Coast ride on the Harbor Bridge. We had over 1,400 riders join us, generating an economic impact of more than $2 million for our region. And now we're looking ahead. This year, riders will cross the new Harbor Bridge. It's finally here, a landmark of progress for Corpus Christi. The views, the energy, and the impact will be nothing short of transformative.
It's an incredible milestone for our city. Riding across the new bridge will be a celebration of how far we've come and everything that lies ahead. Speaking of celebrations, what a year it's been for the Chamber. We brought back the Buenos Dias Networking Breakfast and Members Who Lunch series. These events aren't just about good food and coffee. They're about building relationships that strengthen our business community.
Every single one of our signature luncheons sold out this year. From state of the city, county, and port, it's clear our members value meaningful connections and opportunities to learn more about the economic growth of our region. We all gained insights and found excitement in the opportunities that are expanding exponentially in the Coastal Bend. Another highlight was our Salute to the Military event. With a fresh format, we honored service members in a way that felt both meaningful and celebratory.
We were also so proud to take part in the My Town, Our Future campaign, spotlighting the essential role of small businesses in our economy. Small businesses are the backbone of Corpus Christi, and their success is our community's success. Every job in our region plays a vital role in driving growth, fostering innovation, and building stronger, more resilient economy for everyone.
Mi Casa es Su Casa made a triumphant return, honoring remarkable local women leaders. The evenings were filled with inspiration and empowerment, showcasing the invaluable leadership women bring to our community.
Our chamber also tackled big initiatives, from passing important bond and sales tax propositions critical for reinvesting in vital infrastructure, from the convention center to securing funds for the Sinatra House. 2024 was a year of action and results. These efforts not only enhance our community's amenities, but also strengthen our region's economic foundation for years to come.
And let's not forget our small business procurement program. Partnering with industry leaders, we helped secure over $6 million in local contracts for small business, a huge win for our economy. And in 2024, we were proud to welcome 175 new businesses to the Chamber. It's amazing to see the community rally behind them. The energy is palpable, like a sea breeze on a hot day.
Before we close, we want to thank our board members, we want to thank our committee members, and we want to thank everyone working hard behind the scenes. Your dedication drives our success and makes all of this possible.
Cheers to all of you for an unforgettable year. Here's to another year of growth, connection, and maybe a little less seagull drama.
Good night, Corpus Christi. Stay sparkling and get ready for an amazing 2025.
Yes, good night, Corpus Christi.
Amy, I get the last line. Good night, Corpus Christi. This year is going to be sizzling.
But we also hope for some rain.
Amy!
Cindy, we need rain.
No one said we didn't. Now, let me have my moment as chair. Good night, Corpus Christi. This year is going to be sizzling and hopefully a little rainy too.